Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to reinstall your Windows 11 without losing your data. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to reinstall your Windows 11 without losing your data, then I'll show you how to do this. What you have to do, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here reset this PC. You can see here reset this PC, click on this. You can see here click on reset PC. In this you will find two options, keep my files and remove everything. You have to select this first option, keep my files. Select this option, local reinstall. You can see here current setting, reinstall Windows from this device. Click on next. You have to just plug in your charger, because if there is a battery low, then it will not reset your PC. So just connect your charger, then click on next, and it will take some time. After that, hope your Windows reinstall will be done. That's it guys. So in this way you can reinstall your Windows 11 without losing your data. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.